to lab math, converting between metric units. So converting between the metric units is actually really easy once we understand the basics. So the metric system, it's actually based on the power of 10, and this makes it so that we can move that decimal point to convert between the units. And here is how we can do it. We should know our common metric prefixes. There are more, but these are the most common ones that we're going to see. But the first step for conversions is to identify the starting and end units. So if we're going from kilometers to meters, our starting unit is our kilometers and our ending unit is our meters. After that, we need to count the number of zeros. We can also say it as counting the number of steps. So each step, each zero, it is a power of 10. So if we're moving from kilometers to meters, that's going to be 3 steps because we have 3 zeros in kilometer. And the last thing to do is to move the decimal point. So we're going to move that decimal point by the number of steps that we counted in our previous step. And if we're going from a larger to smaller unit, we're going to move that decimal point to the right. But if we're going for a smaller unit to a larger unit, we're going to move it towards the left. So for example, if we're starting at 5 kilometers and ending at meters, our starting unit is going to be kilometers and our ending unit is going to be meters. And kilometers, we already said, is 1,000 and meters is 1. So if from 5 kilometers to 5, 1, 2, 3, we're going to get 5,000 meters. So 5 kilometers is 5,000 meters because we moved the decimal point 3 places to the right. Now, if we want to convert 500 milliliters to liters, we have to identify our starting unit, which is milliliter, and our ending unit, which is liter. Milliliter is 0.001 and liter is 1. So because we're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we're going to move the decimal point to the right. So it will go like this. 500 milliliters is equal to 500. 1, 2, 3. It's going to be equal to 0.5 liters. So there you go. Now you're sort of a metric master. Get in some more practice and don't forget to convert that like into a subscription.